everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's time for the latest in beauty March unboxing. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Irina and latest in beauty is the only subscription box that I have at the minute. The reason for that is that I can pick my own items, so I know that everything is used, and I also find it the best value box around. Even in those months where I struggle to pick or I pick lower value items, I still think that it's a really good deal. So if you go through my videos, or through my latest in beauty videos, because I do have a playlist, you will see that I had boxes in the past that were like £80, sometimes even more than £100 worth. So you can get amazing value with this box. How I do my videos is usually I give just a little bit of information about latest in beauty. Sometimes I tend to ramble on a bit. Then I go through my previous month's box, kind of like give you a very quick review of the items, those that I've used obviously, and then go into the unboxing itself and I look up the prices of everything and put them on the screen, and also add them up at the end, and we can all see together what the value of the box is. I don't look these things up until I actually edit the video, so yeah, at the minute I don't know the value of it. I will find out when I actually edit. There are also timestamps on the play bar, so you can skip ahead to the parts that you are most interested in. So, latest in beauty. Like I said, you can pick your own items. They have a Hall of Fame which drops on the 1st of the month, and they're supposed to have enough quantities of that one for all subscribers and all new subscribers, and it's usually a more premium product, something from a brand that's a little bit more well known. And then each Monday they have 5 items dropping. They do have previews of their drops on their lives on their Instagram. If things sell out, they get removed from the counter. Sometimes they forget to remove them. I had that before actually, where an item wasn't available, so I had to contact customer service, and they were pretty good at solving the issue, at least with me anyway. However, the items that don't sell out, so to speak, they don't get picked out, they stay on the counter until they do. So let's say you sign up in April. So let's say the drop that's on the first Monday of April, you got the 5 products, and none of them get completely picked out by the beginning of May. They will still be available on the counter for May, June, July, however long it takes for them to be picked out. So you don't have to worry too much about missing out. There will be some stuff that are highly anticipated, and maybe you need to rush a little bit to pick them. Okay, so I'm going to get into the previous month's box, which was the February box. I didn't upload my video until beginning of March, but it was my February box. I am going to start with the moisturizers. I haven't started using the rejuvenating moisturizer. I did explain last time why, because I do have other moisturizers to be used before that. I have started using the ultra light moisturizer, and it is very light texture, sinks into the skin very quickly. I use it as a day moisturizer, and I do put an SPF on top. If you use it on its own, it does give the skin a very nice glow, which is nice. And my SPF also gives the skin a nice glow as well, so yeah, I get double the glow. The Avon Renewal Power Serum, I haven't started using it. I still have a serum to use up, but I have used samples of this one and really enjoyed it. Again, gives the skin a very nice glow, and it's supposed to have really good anti-aging properties. Sassy Shop Wax, very nice scent. We haven't used it yet. It's sat next to the burner and we haven't used it yet, but yeah, we will use it soon. Then the No Not Co brush, the shampoo brush. Love this one. It gives the scalp such a nice massage, and since I've been using it, I haven't noticed dandruff. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not, but yeah, it seems to work for that. So yeah, I use it every time I wash my hair. It just feels so nice. Very nice massage to the scalp. Oh, and I also find that it helps the shampoo actually reach everywhere, which I sometimes can have a little bit of an issue with just with my hands. So that's good. And then the Philip Kingsley Maximizer. This one I was really impressed with. I've managed to use it twice. I did say when I picked it last time that it requires heat to activate it, and I don't use heat all that much to dry my hair. It really did give I don't know how to explain it. It gave just the right amount of volume to my hair. It didn't make it too poofy or anything, just the right amount. I have fine hair, so some products can make it too poofy, for lack of a better word, which I really don't like. And also they leave residue at the root, and that's basically what how they manage to give volume to the hair. However, this one doesn't leave any residue. It feels like it's not even there, the product, which when you have fine greasy hair, that is amazing. I've also noticed volume throughout the length of the hair, and also it seemed to help with frizz. So yeah, very impressed. So, because I love that Philip Kingsley Maximizer so much, yeah, we're getting to unboxing this now. And I think I kind of like spoiled it for you a little bit, but I picked another one because it was still available. There we are. And this size is not cheap, even though it's a travel size. So yeah, got another one of them. By the way, this was the Hall of Fame last month, and then this month I picked the Hall of Fame again, which is the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Fix Cleanser. And this looks really nice. Ooh, looks like consistency that I would like. It's an invigorating and illuminating foaming wash. Ooh, nice. With vitamin C and E to reveal fresh, glowing skin. Yeah, I think I will enjoy this. Then I picked this. The box is a little bit bashed. It's the SLMD or Sandra Lee MD Salicylic Acid Body Wash. Full size of that. It's a body cleanser for blemish-prone skin. I don't have blemish-prone skin as much, but I do get KP or keratosis pilaris, those little red bumps. And also my fiance gets the red bumps a lot. And I do use a salicylic acid face wash for my KP, and it works quite well. So I was thinking this could work for that as well, plus providing a little bit of exfoliation. So I think we will both really enjoy this one. And there's a little leaflet with information about the brand, and I think there is a code at the back of it. So hopefully you can screenshot that if you need to. And yeah, I have the price of the body wash right here. Next I picked the Chicky Panda Biodegradable Bamboo Cleansing Facial Wipes. I sometimes use wipes when I apply my makeup because I apply a lot of things with my fingers, so I need something to wipe my hands, also to swatches of my eyeshadows to see what goes together and stuff like that. So it's good to have wipes on hand when I do my makeup. And I was quite intrigued by these because they're biodegradable, you know. So yeah, happy with this pick. Fifth item in here is the Larizzi lip gloss in shade Desert Taupe. So and that's a swatch there. I think I'll put it on my lips now as well. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, what am I thinking of? Like butterscotch? Feels a little bit thick, but not too sticky. Actually, it doesn't feel sticky at all. It just feels balmy. Yeah, I'll let you know next time how this one goes. And for my sixth item, I kind of struggled to pick. I went through all the counter, and I finally decided to pick the OK Anti-Jet Lag Sheet Mask. I'm not a big sheet mask person, but it's good to have from time to time. It's kind of like a pamper session, I suppose. So yeah, why not? Okay, those are my 6 items, and there is a little freebie in the box as well. They do tend to spoil members with a little freebie. It is exactly the same one we had last time. So as you can see, we have the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, which I normally give to my fiance, and then the Nuxe Luxuriance Gold oil cream. So this is my March box. If you also subscribe to Latest in Beauty, let me know down below what did you pick in March, or if you're still to make your pick. If you are not subscribed yet, I hope you will subscribe so you will see what I think of this box next time. If you like this video, if you found it useful or entertaining, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, I've got lip gloss on my fingers now.